guys, welcome back to Romit Koshti. I'm your friend Sherwin. So guys, today we'll be seeing why did KFC sue their founder. So let's start. So guys, who is the founder of KFC? The man whom you see on KFC's restaurants, buckets and logo is none other than their founder, Colonel Sanders. The story. So, in 1964, Colonel Sanders sold his company, Kentucky Fried Chicken, to a group of investors led by John Brown Jr. and Jack Massey for $2 million. At first, he was thrilled to share his recipe with other people, but soon realized that the new owners were evil. You'll ask me why? Because the company was now focusing much on cost cutting rather than maintaining quality. They realized that Sanders was using high quality chicken and those were too expensive. So they brought cheaper options and soon enough Sanders realized दाल में कुछ काला है. So he started a competitive restaurant naming after his wife, the Colonel's Lady Dinner House. Once the new owners knew this, they charged a sheet against Sanders using their copyright of his name, and as an eye for an eye, Sanders too sued KFC for $122 million for using his images to promote the new recipes. Eventually, this matter settled out of the court with Sanders receiving $1 million. But the unfortunate part is that we still don't know that the original recipe of Colonel Sanders because of this argument. So guys, this was today. Hope you like it. Make sure to like, share and subscribe Romit Koshti for all these cool videos. Goodbye.